Hi guys, so I just spent a few hours searching for a working method on how to get Helldivers 2 for free, and I've finally successfully managed to find a way, guys. So this is going to save you not only a bunch of time searching, but also a bunch of money, because this game is super expensive. So let's get into the tutorial and let's get you Helldivers 2 for completely free. So follow these instructions and let's do this. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get Helldivers 2 for completely free, guys. So you just follow through the instructions. You need to use your mobile phone and open up the internet. So it's important you do this on your mobile phone and go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. So type it like this, guys, Speedy Coupons. This website here. This website is absolutely awesome. They have tons of different pages ranging from, of course, coupon codes and, of course, game codes. So we need to look for the Helldivers 2 page. So you can literally use this search bar here to save you scrolling through. Type in Helldivers and it should just like predict and pop up Helldivers 2 free digital game code. So as I mentioned, guys, you can get this on all platforms that Helldivers 2 is available on. So in this case, it is PlayStation 5 and PC. Now, this is a free digital game code and these codes are limited. So this is basically a code the same as if you purchased Helldivers 2 from a third-party website. So you can literally redeem it on your platform of choice and it's going to download the game. So you need to click on this show code button. Now, I've already done this and these codes are limited, so I don't want to waste the codes. But what you're going to need to do, guys, is you can see you need to unlock your game code. Sorry about the cough. So you need to basically unlock your game code. So what you're going to need to do is tap this button here. Now, like I said, I'm not going to run through the entire process, but when that gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen, guys, and it will tell you how to unlock your code. You need to complete a couple of these simple free tasks to verify yourself as a real person. These can range from sort of downloading and playing some free games to answering some free questions in a questionnaire. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions on the page. It's sort of like a verification to confirm you're not a robot looking to steal all of these valuable codes. Once you've done that, guys, your code will be fully revealed. So you can come back and your code will be fully unlocked and you can redeem it on your platform. So that is how you do it, guys. You've got to head on over to speedycoupons.com. It's very important you follow the instructions, especially in the unlocking of the code, because that is, of course, very important. So enjoy, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. You can see this is highly rated. So yeah, just follow through all of the steps and enjoy playing Helldivers 2. Peace out.